Yes, Mr. Bernstein, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Yes, I got my green card like 5 years ago.
Right.
But in 1990, I had a problem with the court. We are being guilty to a misdemeanor assault. I want to apply for my citizenship now. Do I have any problem at this time?
When in 1990?
I think it was January 1990, and the case was finished I think it was in June.
Okay. And you got your green card when?
I got my green card in 20.
Okay. And they knew about that conviction when you got the green card. You brought in the disposition, correct? Okay, so it was obviously a petty offense, and they allowed you to get your green card anyway, so it's not going to cause any problem to become a citizen now.
Yeah, I went down last year.
When?
My clear condition to remove. But I don't want to get it worse if I haven't got them back.
They wanted, what happened when you went for your interview in April? Remove your conditions? They wanted more proof of the validity of your marriage?
They approved the case in September. But I didn't get that card yet because I have to work the paper.
You have to what with the paper?
Take the divorce paper back to them.
Okay, so did you bring the divorce paper back to them?
No, I'm getting a problem with hasn't been signed, so I'm wondering.
Well, then you should come see me. Come see me immediately, because eventually what will happen is they'll deny your case and put you in deportation. So come see me immediately. It's going to be an issue.
Okay.
All right. All right. You know the number to call?
Yeah, I've been there before.
Okay. Okay, good. So come back and see me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, what's up?
Good evening.
Yes.
I hear that Obama and some clergymen and Bloomberg and stuff meet. I never hear somebody speaking. Did you hear the things about immigration?
Yeah, they met last Tuesday. I talked about it on Facebook, and there's a newspaper article on my website. So just so you know for the future, you can, if you're on Facebook, make me your friend on Facebook. I talked about it last Tuesday, and there's also an article on my website at www.forimmigration.com about that meeting. He had a meeting with many of the mayors of major cities and clergy to try to come to have some consensus about immigration. Apparently the meeting went well, but the Republicans in Congress, especially the Tea Partiers, said they intend to pass nothing. So let's see what happens. I think the meeting was more to gather momentum and get some people on Obama's side to pass some immigration legislation, but we'll see what happens as the year goes on.
You think they'll do something about this soon?
I'm sorry?
You think they'll do something about this soon?
My guess is nothing's going to happen until after 2012 presidential election, but listen, crazier things happened. I thought they were going to do it back in 08, it didn't happen. So, I'm not a good predictor, obviously. But I think they're not going to do anything comprehensively. They may pass like the DREAM Act. They may pass, maybe they'll do an extension of 245I, something like that. They'll do it in piecemeal, and hopefully that piecemeal, a lot of people will be able to fall in on. But I don't see anything, a major amnesty, in the next few months happening. The issue with that meeting that Obama had is he's preaching to the converted. Everybody there wants immigration to happen. He's got to convince the people who don't want it to happen. So let's see what happens. All right?
You have two presidents and then for about things that is supposed to be fixed and not now one.
That's right. Right. Bush wanted it to happen. And now Obama wanted to have it. We've had almost 10 years of presidents who wanted something to happen. They came to the Congress, not the president. Okay. So what the gentleman wanted, to know is he has his fiance coming to America, presumably on a visitor's visa, wants to know if he can marry her. And the answer is yes, but you have to be careful. When you come on a visitor's visa, if you get married within the first 90 days of your entry, and then you go and turn around and apply for your adjustment of status, the Immigration Service may deny you and say, you lied to us. You said you had the intention of coming to visit when you had the intention of remaining permanently. Because when you come into the airport, you're saying, I'm coming for a short period of time. If you wait more than 90 days, then get married, then file the adjustment, it shouldn't be any problem because the law presumes you changed your mind. So my advice is if you do come on a visitor's visa, come with the intention of visiting, wait 90 days, get married at that point, you've changed your mind, that's what the law presumes, and you then file your adjustment of status application. And yes, you'll be able to do it without her having to go back home.
All right, I have a question.
Yes.
How long before you could apply for citizenship after your green card?
Depends how you got your green card.
I married my wife.
She's a U.S. citizen?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you live together and you can prove you still live together in a bona fide marriage, 90 days before the 3-year anniversary of you getting your conditional green card.
Oh, we've been together like 6 years now.
No, it's not how long you've been together, it's how long you've had the green card.
Like from 08, so that's what.
I'm sorry?
Like from 3 years now, 3 or 4 years.
Okay, so you've had it since 08, then you can file now.
Oh, all right, beautiful.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
One more thing.
Mhm.
Do you do that too, or just I need to go down to the island and then,
I do that. You don't have to do anything. When you come to see me, I do everything for you. All you got to do is come in, smile, sign where I ask you to sign. Obviously, you have to pay a legal fee, and we take care of everything for you.
I'm good. I have two brief questions. A friend told me that you said you take 2 years after your permanent residency. You can apply for citizenship in 2 years. Is that true?
No, you have to wait 3 years from getting your green card, and that's if you were married to a U.S. citizen. If you got your green card and you're in the military for more than 1 year, you can do it through the military. Other than that, it's 5 years.
Other than that, it's 5 years.
Correct.
Okay, my next two questions. I have a family member who got pulled over by the police because he was driving without a license. He served 24 hours in punishment of either to pay a fine or to serve 24 hours in jail, and he served 24 hours in jail and he was out.
Okay.
But the real issue is he went to school, he felt a kind of currently, and he went to that department school and he had to pay for the reform care, which in fact is not.
Right.
So I'm wondering if he's to marry to get his residency, will that be a problem?
It's a problem if you made a false claim to U.S. citizenship. It's not a problem. It may be a problem if, because if he made a false claim to U.S. citizenship, he's never going to get a green card ever in the history of his lifetime. If he did something other than say that, and maybe he said he was legal to work some other way, then maybe he made a misrepresentation. At least you can get a waiver for that. What I would suggest that he does is let him come see me immediately. And let me give you my number so we can help him. The number is 1-800-522-0804.
Kind of breaking up. The last thing you said, it shouldn't be a problem?
No, I said if he made a false claim to U.S. citizenship, that's a crime. If he didn't make a false claim to U.S. citizenship, and said he was legally allowed to work some other way,
He has no residency whatsoever.
I understand that, but you have to listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Please listen. Okay? He's an illegal alien. If you go and work and put down that you're an American citizen and go get a job and fill out an immigration form and claim you're a U.S. citizen, you just committed a crime. If it's a problem, he should be giving me a call. And let me give you my telephone number. Okay? It's 1-800-522-0804.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a friend that be married in Jamaica, came up,
Right.
and his wife tried before to come here, and she got turned down.
Right.
So now they appeal the case, and they turn it down. Does he have a chance?
when you mean that she tried to come here and she came here on a false document, they sent her back and now they're trying to get her a waiver, is that what's happening?
Yes.
Okay. Well, she could always,
Yes.
she doesn't, if she appealed the waiver and that was denied, that's basically the end of the case. You know, she can, you know, the spouse can refile again and file a new waiver and hopefully have better information in that second waiver that, you know, that the first waiver didn't have. So, for that particular case, it's over. That doesn't preclude you from refiling again and trying again.
All right, good. I'll have him give you a call.
Okay.
All right, good. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, good. I'm a resident. I want to know if I could marry to a person that have a visa first to get his papers.
You can, where, is that person here out of status now?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you can file for that person, but they're not, you file the visa petition, nothing's going to happen on the case, you'll get an approval back. Once you become a citizen, you can upgrade the case and adjust the status.
Oh,
But
so they won't get anything until I become a citizen?
Correct, correct.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you very much.